Question number 1. The primary action of digoxin in heart failure is. Correct option is C. Vasculoenotrophy. Question number 2. In eclampsia, the drug of choice for seizures prevention is. Correct option is D. Magnesium sulfate. Question number 3. In which stage of labor is the placenta expelled? Correct option is A. Third stage. Question number 4. The most common complication of uncontrolled hypertension is. Correct option is A. Stroke. Question number 5. The average weight gain during a normal pregnancy is. Correct option is C. 10 to 12 kg. Question number 6. In blood transfusion, febrile and non-hemolytic reaction is due to. Correct option is B. White blood cell antibodies. Question number 7. Which artery is most commonly used to check pulse during CPR in adult? Correct option is A. Carotid artery. Question number 8. The trait of polyuria, polydipsia and polyphagia is seen in. Correct option is C. Diabetes mellitus. Question number 9. The test used for early diagnosis of HIV infection is. Correct option is D. P24 antigen test. Question number 10. In normal labor, the most common fetal presentation is. Correct option is B. Cephalic or vertex. Question number 11. A child with Kupfli's spot is commonly most likely suffering from. Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 12. Which structure is first closed in the newborn skull? Correct option is C. Metophic. Question number 13. The normal duration of Lucia serosa is. Correct option is D. 4 to 10 days. Question number 14. Which electrolyte imbalance is common after mesio blood transfusion? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 15. Kerning sign is associated with which condition? Correct option is A. Meningitis. Question number 16. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 17. The most reliable indicator of fluid balance in a patient is. Correct option is C. Daily weight. Question number 18. Which electrolyte imbalance is commonly seen in Addison's disease? Correct option is B. Hyponatremia. Question number 19. The drug protamine sulfate is used as an antidote for. Correct option is C. Heparin. Question number 20. In which stage of labor is uterine contraction is most painful? Correct option is B. Second stage of labor. Question number 21. Which cranial nerve is tested by Whispers test? Correct option is D. Cranial nerve 8. Question number 22. The primary site for pet digestion in the body is. Correct option is B. Duodenum. Question number 23. Which antibiotic is commonly used for prophylaxis of rheumatic fever? Correct option is D. Penicillin G or Bezidine. Question number 24. The drug metformin is primarily used to manage. Correct option is B. Type 2 diabetes. Question number 25. The most common site of nosocomial infection is. Correct option is B. Urinary tract infection. Question number 26. In myocardial infarction, the most specific enzyme marker is. Correct option is D. Troponin T. Question number 27. Which hormone maintains pregnancy in early stages? Correct option is B. Progesterone. Question number 28. Mongolian spot is commonly found in which part of the body? Correct option is C. Back of the body. Question number 29. Which position is recommended for a patient after spinal anesthesia? Correct option is A. Spine flat. Question number 30. The primary site of insulin secretion is. Correct option is B. Beta cells. Question number 31. Which vitamin deficiency causes neural tube defects? Correct option is C. Folic acid. Question number 32. Which electrolyte imbalance is common in renal failure? Correct option is D. Hyperkalemia. Question number 33. The hormone that maintains corpus luteum in early pregnancy is. Correct option is A. Beta HCG hormones. Question number 34. Which of the following is a cardiac glycoside? Correct option is A. Digoxin. Question number 35. Which vein is commonly used for central venous catheter insertion? Correct option is B. Subclavian vein. Question number 36. Which hormone is measured in the Guthrie test for newborn screening? Correct option is B. Thyroxine T4 hormones. Question number 37. Which artery is commonly used for pulse in infants? Correct option is C. Brachial arteries. Question number 38. What is the most common site for deep vein thrombosis? Correct option is B. Femoral vein. Question number 39. Which of the following is an osmotic diuretic? Correct option is A. Mannitol. Question number 40. Which complication is most likely in polycythemia? Correct option is D. Thrombosis. Question number 41. Which factor increases the risk of abruptio flecenti? Correct option is A. Hypertension. Question number 42. The best position for a woman with eclampsia during seizures is? Correct option is B. Lateral position. Question number 43. Which infection is most dangerous during early pregnancy? Correct option is A. Rubella virus infection. Question number 44. The diagnostic test for health syndrome includes? Correct option is the liver enzymes. Question number 45. In RH incompatibility, the fetus is most at risk of? Correct option is C. Hemolytic disease. Question number 46. A common fatal complication in preeclampsia is? Correct option is B. Growth restriction. Question number 47. Which opioid agnostic is used in overdose? Correct option is A. Nalazone. Question number 48. A pregnant woman with seizures disorder should avoid? Correct option is C. Valproic acid. Question number 49. Which fetal presentation is more common in polyhydramnios? Correct option is D. Transverse Y. Question number 50. The earliest sign of amniotic fluid embolism is? Correct option is B. Sudden dyspnea. Question number 51. A patient with preeclampsia should restrict? Correct option is D. Salt intake.